Very warm welcome to my dear students. I hope everybody is safe and sound. I am Snehal Fergus, your maths teacher for Standard 5th from Adarsh Education Society. Students, in the last class we have already learned the addition. Now students, we will see the second part of the chapter, that is subtraction. Subtraction. We already know the term subtraction. The term take away and the find the difference imply subtraction. Before going to the chapter, let us recall the few terms which we have already studied. Terms used in subtraction. Minuends. Minuends means number from which another is to be subtracted. Subtrahend. Subtrahend means number to be subtracted from another. Difference. The answer we get after subtraction is known as difference. Here you can see in the example, 879 is known as minuends, 532 is known as subtrahends, and the answer 347 is known as difference. Subtraction of 6 and 7 digit numbers. Steps for solving. Step 1. Arrange the numbers as per the place value chart. Step 2. Subtract the digits in each column starting from the units place. Step 3. Regroup if required. Question number 1. 64,293 minus 28,547. Students, as we need to follow steps, our first step is arrange the number as per the place value chart. As you can see in the column, units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. We will always start from the unit. So, let us start. 3 minus 7, as there is not enough units, we will borrow from tens. So, students, 9 tens become 8 tens and 3 units become 13 units. Now, we will subtract 7 from 13. So, we will get the answer as 6. Now in tens place, 8 minus 4, we get the answer 4. Now in the hundreds place, 2 minus 5, so 2 is less than 7, so we have to borrow from thousands. So students, 4 thousands will become 3 and 2 hundreds become 12. Now we will subtract 5 from 12. We get the answer 7. Now coming to the thousands place, 3 minus 8, it is more than 3. Again we need to borrowing from the 10,000 place. So at the 10,000s place, 6 become 5 and now at the thousands place we have 13. Well, 13 minus 8 is a 5. Now lastly at the 10,000s place, 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer is 35,746. Number 2. 37,058 minus 23,469. As we will always start from units place. 8 minus 9, as we cannot subtract 9 units from 8 units. However, we have 5 tens, of which we can borrow 1. 4 remains in the tens place and in the units place 8 become 18. Now 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. Now in the tens place, 6 is more than 4. So again we need to borrow 1 from the hundreds. If there are no numbers in the tens place, we will borrow 1 from the thousands place. In the thousands place, 7 becomes 6 and in the hundreds place, 0 becomes 10. Now we will borrow from hundreds. So 10 become 9 hundreds and 4 becomes 14. After subtracting 6 from 14, we get the answer 8. Now in the hundreds place, 9 minus 4 is 5. Coming to the thousands place, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And in the tens thousands place, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So the answer is 13,589. Question number 3. 71,540 minus 58,628. We will always start from the units place. 0 minus 8, as we can't subtract 8 from 0, we will borrow 1 from the tens place. Now in the tens place, 4 tens become 3 tens and in the units place, 0 become 10. As 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Now in the tens place, 3 50 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now in the hundreds place, 5 minus 6, as we cannot subtract 6 from 5, we will borrow 1 from the thousands place. So 1 become 0 and 500 become 1500s. Subtracting 15 minus 6, we get 9. Now in the thousands place, number, so we will borrow 1 from the 10,000s place. 7 becomes 6 and 0 becomes 10. Subtracting 8 from 10, we get 2. And in the 10,000s place, 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So the answer is 12,912. Question number 4. 50,432 minus 48,647. We will always start from the units place. Let us subtract 7 units from 2 units. As we cannot subtract 7 from 2, however we have 3 units. So we will borrow 1 from the tens. In the tens place, 3 become 2 and in the units place, 2 become 12 units. As we subtract 7 from 12, we get the answer 5. Now in the tens place, we cannot subtract 4 from 2. So we will borrow 1 from the hundreds place. So in the hundreds place, 4 become 3 and the tens place, 2 become 12 tens. As we subtract 4 from 12, we get 8. Now in the hundreds place, 3 minus 6, as we cannot subtract 6 from 3, we will borrow 1 from the thousands place. Now in the thousands place, there are no numbers, so we will borrow from the 10,000s place. Now in the 10,000s place, 5 become 4 and in the thousands place, 0 become 10. Now we can borrow 1 from the thousands place. So in the thousands place, 10 become 9 and in the hundreds place, 3 become 13. After subtracting 6 from 13, we get 7. Now in the thousands place, 9 minus 8 is equal to 1 and in the 10,000s place, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So the answer is 1785.